Hey there, are you getting the too many request error in Hoyoverse? Don't worry, here's how to fix it quickly. This happens when you send too many requests to the servers in a short period, but here's what you can do. Uh, fa- uh, First, take a break for 5 to 15 minutes. This error is easily temporary and resets automatically. Try turning your Wi-Fi or switching to mobile data. This refreshes your connection and might fix the issue. If you still face the problem, go to settings from your device. Then find the Hoyoverse app from app section. Um, and then clear cache and on PC clear browser cookies and restart. um, it might be fixed this issue. If the problem persists, try using VPN or logging in from another device to bypass IP restrictions. If it still doesn't work, then go to your Play Store. Then search for any update there, or reinstall the game can fix the issue. If nothing works, then reach out to whoever's support through their official website or app. And that's it. That's how you can fix however's too many requests.